When I was a kid, there is not many picture books in China. In fact, I did not have any memory about any picture book from my childhood. After I started this class, I saw so many beautiful and meaningful picture books that make me want to be a child again. So most of my self-selected virtual library is picture books, as you can see. My favorite one is this one, Japanese Children's Favorite Stories. This book has five Japanese folk stories. The illustration of the book is so beautiful. I saw this book in a secondhand store. The minute I saw the front cover of it, I know I have to buy it. The front cover, I cannot I cannot zoom in, but the front cover, the story is called Peach Boy. So this boy, he was born from a peach, and he was in the river, and a grandpa and grandma adopted him. An old couple adopted him. Eventually, he find out he have some superpower, and he killed a monster. Save the village is a happy ending story. I love this story. And um, my least favorite book is this one, 2001: A Space Odyssey. I never liked science fiction. I don't know why, but I don't like it. And this one have the ugliest cover illustration, so I picked this one. That's it. And I really enjoyed this activity. Thank you, Professor.